out at the junkyard today. We got us a TDI exhaust for Drake's car because it doesn't have the muffler on it. So we're gonna see how it sounds on a 2-liter turbo with no muffler. The piping's all the same diameter, so we'll use the same clamp. We also grabbed the regulators because his regulators are bad, or like the door actuators, not regulators. Someone wanted these taillights. Put the effort into them. I'm gonna have to put the camera away. I don't have my other camera, which is waterproof, so I don't want this one to get wet, and it's starting to rain. So I'm about to put this camera away, and we'll have to reassess once we get this taillight out. So we got the taillight out for Drake. All we needed was the clip off. We didn't actually need the taillight. So we just left the, we're leaving the junkyard. Let's pull apart. You don't have to know which one. But we got the exhaust, we got 3-door actuators, and we got a cylinder head. CCTA in good shape, no bent valves. Actually had brand new updated timing chains on it, so get that put up on eBay and make a quick couple $100. So the exhaust is on now. This is the original. It's got the dual tip on it, and then the single tip is down underneath. All right, go ahead, start it up. Give it a couple little revs. Nice. This sounds pretty good.
Loud and like.
You kind of want to hear it when you open it up a little bit. Oh, you got the DSG farts now. Nice. Not bad. Heck yeah.
I think that was worth it. What, 11 bucks?
Yeah, it was like $11 at the junkyard for that muffler. It's pretty sick. I mean, I don't know whether they call it a muffler or a resonator because it's so small, but TDIs don't have a muffler because they're not very loud already, because they have like the DPFs. So,
you know what we will do? Drop it down on the sport.
You do whatever you want, dog.
Do a little rippy right here.
Not the poor unsuspecting cobalt. I think it sounds really good, actually.
I say it's not as loud as you think it would be for getting rid of like such a big noise canceling thing. As like, you know.
Yeah.
So it's kind of surprising.
Is that you letting off?
Yeah.
All right, so we just got finished with it. It's like almost 1 o'clock in the morning, so pretty late night, but the cart's done. We're gonna clean up the mess, send him on his way. I'm gonna go take a shower and go to bed. Adios, Audi. Turn the lights off on me.